So I've cut out the two base and I've also shaved the bottom and the top. I just use scissors to just trim it out. The wideness is 7 inches while the length is 10.5 inches. I cut out 9 inches belt and also got the ring holder to hold the belt, and I also cut out the long belt 54 inches. So this is the extra pocket. I've cut it out. I cut out 6.5 inches length by 7.5 inches wide. After that, I will use the taping to cover the mouth of the pocket, both the two. So I'm done sewing it. You can see the way it look like. So before I start, let me explain how I was able to shape the top and the bottom. So to shape the top, what I did is that I just fold the base into two, then I just use the scissors to just shape it round. But for the bottom, I shape it separately. Now I will insert the 9 inches belt to the ring holder and place it on one of the base by centralizing it and stitch it round. I'm done stitching it. Please don't forget to stitch that area twice. I will take the second base by stitching the long belt on it. Then I will take the tape rule. I will measure out 2 inches to indicate where I'm going to stop the stitching. Now I will be joining the cover to it. Then I will take the two base. I will place the cover on both the two base by centralizing it. Then turn it to the left side. Then you stitch it round together. Turn back the second one also and stitch it round. I'm done with stitching it together. Now I will trim out the essence. I've cut out lining and foam for the two base. I'll take the cord wrap. I just cut out small pieces. I'll place it under the machine and stitch it a little bit. Then I will take the cord, add little oil to it so that it will be easy for me when sewing it. Then I'll place it on the cord wrap and stitch it round. After getting to the starting of the cord, I will cut out the essence. Then I will continue the stitching. After getting to the cord wrap, I will use the cord wrap to cover it and stitch it together. So this is the main body. Don't forget I asked you to tape it after stitching it together. So I will take out the two base, I will fold it into two and notch the midpoint of the top and the bottom. So this is the main body. Don't forget I asked you to tape it after stitching it. I will take the main body and turn it to the right side. Now I will notch out the top and the down part. So what I did is that I tried to fold the main body into two. Then I fold it according to the middle of the short hand. Then I notch out the midpoint. You can see that the midpoint go in line with the middle of the short hand. After that, I trace it to the down part. I notch out the midpoint. You do that to the second side also. So if you check now, you will notice that the notch point match with the middle of the short hand. And for the bottom, the notch point of the bottom also match with each other. I will join both together, the top side, midpoint to midpoint, and stitch it. Then I will come to the bottom side. I will join both together, midpoint to midpoint, and stitch it. Then after that, I will stitch the right side and the left side. Then I will do the same to the second side also. Then use the taping to tape it at once. Now I'm done joining the side and the main body together, and I also tape it at once so that it will look neat inside. Now I'll be adding the adjuster to the long belt. We have come to the end of this beautiful kid lunch bag. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and don't forget to give your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye. See you in my next video.